need sorting out the French beans. So I've just pulled most of them out while I was growing them. So I brought them into here because it's easier. I'm just gonna chop off the ones suitable size, and then the little tiny ones I'm putting aside for the guinea pigs. Hopefully they'll eat those. Ones that are a bit too small. So I'll just show the size. That's the size of them. Yeah, so going down there. So I've just pulled the whole lot off, up. Just pulled the whole lot out, and then bring them in here and harvest them. Take them off, and then I shall take them indoors and wash them, and then chop them up. Well, you know, top and tail them. I think that's what you call it, and put them in the freezer. That's it, all done. So that's, if you can see, that's what I've got. Basket full. I lift you up. Oops, sorry. That's the basket. There, beans. It's a nice little amount. And then what I'll do is, as I say, I'll top and tail them, and then I shall put them into small portions for me to state of me to put in the freezer for myself. That's it. Okay, that's it. I just thought you might find that interesting to watch. Oh, and these here, those there, they'll be for the guinea pigs, and then they can eat them over the next couple of days. That's it then. Okay, bye. Where's the camera? There. Bye. Probably cut this bit out.